Hey, I am Parth Doshi. Welcome to another video on UiPath form. So in this video, we'll create a simple form with details like name, phone number and email ID, and we'll extract the data or we'll take the data which was passed by the user into the form and write it into the Excel file. So let's get started. For that, first we need to create a form. So let's create a form. Okay, form title, let's give it as details. Okay, now let me open the form designer. We need a text field, which we are going to name it as name. Also, always keep a Word file with you whenever creating the forms because we need to have the field key with us to extract the values. Let me copy this and paste it over here. Now the other one we need to go in advanced. We need to drag an email ID. So this is done already. Email, copy, and paste it over here. After that, we need a phone number. So field key, copy, save. So let's save this. And we have, let us change the theme. Let's go with this one. Okay, cross, exit preview, and save. So here we have simply created a form with only three fields: name, email, and phone number. Let's close the form, save and close. Now to get the data from the form, we need to create form field collections where we have to copy this same name, copy, paste it in create argument. Since we are taking it from the form, we'll give it as out, and here you need to create a variable with the same name. So make sure the name of your argument and name of your variable is the same to extract the values. Email, copy, paste over here, change this to out, get a string, email. Okay, so for here some reason the name is not available. Okay, now the third one we are left with is phone number. Let us copy this and paste it over here. Change this to out, create a variable phone number. Okay, so let's click on OK. Now there is some error over here. So I think this variable is not created properly. Okay, so there is still some error. So there were just duplicate variables created. Now we don't have that. Now, after you have created the form field collection, we need to build a data table where we'll be passing this particular values. So you need to drag a build data table, click on data table. Now we have three fields over here. Let me edit this. Let me keep this as name. The other one is string, reason, email ID. Okay, and we need to add one more, which is a phone number. Click it on OK. So we have a data table with us. let us create a output variable details dt. So details data table. We can name it like that. Now, after we have added the data table, we need to add a row and append it to an Excel file. So we'll add a row over here, and in that we'll add a data row. So now here the data table, we need to pass the details data table, and after that we need to here specify a array row. So we have first our name, comma, email, comma, phone number. So you see there are extra full stop getting added over here, so we need to remove that, and now we don't have any error. So now after we have added a data row of the variables or the data we have extracted, we need to drag and append range over here, and that will pass details.excel. Here the data table we are going to pass is details data table. So now we have completed all the steps required to the objective we want to attain. So we created a form, we built a data table wherein we gave the fields which were there in the form, the name, email, and the phone number. We added a data row to that table, and after adding the row, we are passing it to the append range activity. So let's run it and check whether we are able to add the data into the Excel file. Now we have executed it. We should have the form screen appearing. Name, email ID. So as you can see, the validation of email ID is already done since we dragged that particular functionality. Here also, as you can see, if I don't put the number and click on submit. Okay, so the execution is completed. Let's check. We have the Excel file. Yes, we have that. Let me open the Excel file and check whether we have the details in our Excel file. Yeah, so we were okay. So now this text thing which we are saying, this is because of one mistake I made over here. I need to delete this. Okay, so if we delete that, we won't get that particular. But as you can see, we were able to extract all the details from the form. So let us change this and make them as header. Name, email, phone number. So these are the three simple steps we followed. What we did is we created a form, we built a data table, we added a data row to it, and we just appended the row data which we got into an Excel file. So this is how you can use a form and input the data into an Excel file or create an Excel database for your form, whichever data you are passing in the form. Thank you. Also, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated to all the videos I upload.